What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I just want to do a talking video, the Generac 31cc pressure washer. Now I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used at some point this year. For 2025 exactly, which like I said, did get used like 2 months ago, you can see, and this thing just been sitting here. Ever since the time this thing just been sitting here ever since here exactly, which well yeah, I think it just actually looks kind of nice, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'm hoping this thing will get used at some point before we had to put away for the fall. I know that, and the same thing with the Terra, which there's definitely ways like this. I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year. I mean, hope so. You can see it because like it did get used back in June, and it's that since the whole July, in my opinion. But you can see how much expected this thing like, which is it's not a bad looking machine, in my opinion. But you can see how much better this machine's been used almost like a couple of times already. You see, I mean, so the electric starter doesn't work anymore. I mean, it does, but the button doesn't work, so that's why it's been off like the cover's been off like this from like years now. And you can see it's better how I expected this thing. You can see because the cover's sitting like up there, so I know since stuff against how I expected it. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025. Which I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025. But this is a very nice looking machine in my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used again this year.